Hi everyone, my name is Leah Nelson and my presentation is on George Washington. Early life. George Washington was born on February 22nd, 1732 in Pope's Creek, Virginia, to Augustine Washington and Mary Ball Washington. He was born into a family of flourishing farmers. George had 9 siblings, 2 sisters, 3 brothers, 1 half-sister, and 3 half-brothers. It's a pretty big family. At 16, George became a surveyor. At 17, he was selected to be the surveyor of Culpeper County, Virginia. These are some of his achievements later on in life. He was a gentleman farmer between 1759 and 1775. He married Martha Washington January 6, 1759. He became Commander-in-Chief of the Continental Army during the American Revolution, June 19, 1775. He led America into victory during the Revolutionary War. He was elected President of the Constitutional Convention in 1787. George Washington went down in history, as we all know, to be the first President of the United States of America, April 30th, 1789. He was President until March 4th, 1797. And here's just a photo that I really love of George Washington. These are a few lesser-known facts. There were many more, but I just had to pick and choose my favorite facts about him. George Washington went to school until he was only 11 years old. He only received grade school education. His first love was a married woman named Sally Fairfax. She was married to one of George's best friends. Many people believe that George Washington wore false teeth made out of wood. That is not true. His teeth were ruined by cracking walnut shells, so he wore false teeth made out of human teeth, cow teeth, ivory, and lead. The human teeth came from mouths of workers who were poor and enslaved. His false teeth were uncomfortable, and for that reason George didn't smile a lot. George loved animals. He actually owned many dog breeds. George was the first person to breed mules. I found that pretty interesting. In conclusion, my reason for choosing George Washington is because he is a famous historical figure that many people only seem to know a little bit about him. We see his face nearly every day on our $1 bills and our quarters. I wanted to get to know him better since he is an essential symbol of leadership in our country. He created an image of presidential greatness. Thanks.